Let's begin with a few words about the company. Convergent R&R is a high-tech startup company developing a breakthrough X-ray focusing technology that may be used as a platform for the development of a broad range of products in the medical field, such as cancer therapy, radiotherapy and radiosurgery, imaging using a converging X-ray beam, ultra-small volume of treatment, such as wet AMD and eye melanoma or denervation, enhanced local drug delivery, for example, local chemotherapy, breast cancer, integrated 3D monochromatic imaging with treatment, GNP, radiotherapy sensitization using gold nanoparticles. The company has filed 7 patents covering most of the above fields. Additional patents are currently being drafted. The first application that we are focusing on is radiotherapy and radiosurgery. We call it MercyBeam. These are the founders and the leading team. The founders are highly experienced individuals in their respected fields of expertise. The team has a profound, unique experience in the field of X-ray lenses, which is the core activity of the company. Mr. Ze'ev Harel, CEO and co-founder. He is a serial entrepreneur with a successful record in leading startup companies from idea to product, bringing about high investment multiplications. Professor Ze'ev Burstein, co-founder, with a PhD in physics from the Hebrew University and numerous publications, books, and patents. He has a deep domain knowledge and experience in crystal growth and X-ray crystallography. Dr. Aharon Bar-David, chief physicist and co-founder, with a PhD in physics from the Technion Israel Institute of Technology. He worked in medical device development at GE Medical Advanced CT Systems. The company is in the stage of structuring a medical advisory board. It has begun recruiting world-known experts in the field who will provide relevant medical advice and act as medical opinion leaders. The lens technology. Our lens is based on several concentric rings tiled with single crystal pieces, all reflecting X-ray radiation emanating from a standard X-ray imaging tube to a common volume. The crystals in each ring crystallographically oriented in a different direction. Only a single energy of 60 keV is reflected on all rings, avoiding the low energies that could cause skin burning and secondary tumor hazard. The radiotherapy and radiosurgery application, MercyBeam. Our first application under development is a low-energy converging X-ray beam utilizing ordinary imaging X-ray generator for cancer treatment. We named it MercyBeam technology. MercyBeam utilizes X-rays in energy ranges of thousands of electron volt in comparison to current systems utilizing energies of millions electron volts. The need. Over 50% of cancer patients receive radiotherapy. The number of cancer patients increases steadily worldwide. Treatment of small children is problematic. Existing treatment facilities are located in major cities of highly developed countries, but are still poorly accessible to rural and remote areas. MercyBeam benefits. Notably, our approach doesn't require any change in treatment protocols. Thus, only a limited need for market education is required, and the regulatory process is expected to be shortened. MercyBeam offers the following benefits when compared with virtually all radiation therapy and surgery tools on the market today. Improved contrast between tumor and healthy tissue exposure to radiation, meaning precise tumor exposure. Shorter exposure durations, meaning better patient comfort as well as treatment productivity. Ability to treat children and infants. Potential design of transportable units in vans and lorries. Considerably less expensive, including basic equipment, maintenance, and shielding requirements. Our development status. We have recently completed the proof of concept by housing separate rings with properly oriented tiles, yet only partially populated. The required funding and milestones. Our next milestone is a laboratory demonstration of a fully populated lens system, including dosimetry in a phantom that simulates a human tissue within 4 quarters. Immediately afterwards, the construction of Betasite machines, including a computer-controlled C-arm in bed, treatment planning, and design for manufacturability, all within an additional 5 to 6 quarters. The market size. Quantities sold per year. Worldwide installed base of 10,000 units exists with an annual growth rate of 23%, plus 900 units annual replacement market. Total annual units sold are more than 3,000 units, which value more than $12 billion per year. Shortage of units to cover demand. Analysts consider that in most of the developing world, current installed base of units falls 50% behind need. Filling this gap provides MercyBeam with hundreds of units marketing opportunity annually. MercyBeam technology may treat 35% of cancer cases, leading to a potential market of more than $4 billion. Another calculation approach demonstrates huge potential as well. The potential market growth, as specified earlier, including a new category of mobile systems, may increase this estimate considerably. Go-to-market strategies. We present two alternative go-to-market strategies. Business-to-customer, B2C, where MercyBeam technology developed as a new brand in radiotherapy and radiosurgery equipment and sold directly to hospitals, clinics, business, and customers. And business-to-business, B2B, where MercyBeam lenses sold as OEM to existing players in the radiotherapy and radiosurgery market. Any combination of the two strategies is also an option. Our sales estimation is calculated by a moderate approach. MercyBeam sales and net income projections are presented in millions of US dollars. Year 1 is defined as the first full year of sales. In order to ease the comparison between the two strategies, both analyses were calculated based on the same number of sold units. Notably, under both options, the ROI within 2-3 years is obvious. Exit strategy. M&A. The radiotherapy field is characterized by a limited number of multi-billion players, each dominating a large portion of the market. The competition is quite intense, and each player is seeking an edge over the others. MercyBeam is in the position to provide such an edge. Thus, M&A at a very high valuation is quite probable. Going public. Over the last few years, the medical field is growing quite fast, and medical companies going public are considered to be attractive for public investors. Once sales are in effect, the company can go public at a high valuation of its shares. Some additional issues for consideration. Recall the beginning of our presentation. We have presented the lens technology as a platform for several additional products in the medical field. The realization of each of these products deserves a separate attention, such as the construction of a separate entity, for example, a daughter company. Such entity would commercialize by providing additional investment opportunity and generate additional income. Thank you.